Hey everyone, welcome back. Seeing a deal on DealSeek but when you go to the Amazon, the price is higher than soon or the discount does not match. Here's what's happening. Amazon price fluctuate in real time throughout the day, and DealSeek updates its prices regularly but not always instantly. So there can be a gap between when a price stops, when DealSeek captures it, and when you look at it. If Amazon price is higher than soon, the deal may have already expired or the seller may have adjusted their price. Go back to DealSeek and tap on the flag icon in the deal page to report it. This helps DealSeek remove inaccurate deals faster. For better results with DealSeek, swap deals as soon as you see them rather than saving them from later. Since the best discount moves quickly, you can tap the heart icon to save the deal to compare later. But confirm the price on Amazon before buying rather than relying solely on the DealSeek display price. So all you've got to do is go to Amazon, then Amazon price changes in real time. Act fast on deals. Report mismatched prices with the flag icon. And always confirm on Amazon before buying, and that's it. Subscribe.